Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to see you guys once again here. Today my video is about hanging out with my friends. I'm done with my makeup. It's simply a little touch up in my eyebrows and little lipstick and only sunscreen.
I'm not really good in makeup.
About my hair, I'll do what will suit me, and about my dress, I'll dress up with something that is comfortable for me. This is the place we are going today. We're in the metro right now. How to reach there and the exact location, please check my description. It's a bit crowded now, so we'll wait for the next train. There's the bus terminal, and here we're waiting for the next train. We're inside the metro now. We're about to reach. That's the night view from the metro. Now we have reached. We'll take a rickshaw from here to reach the exact location. Pew pew pew. We have reached the gate. Let's go inside, guys. Please keep watching my video. Adventure Island. There are chota store hai, shop hai nearby, or either due to COVID some places are closed. Can't you see that? It's a far view. We're going there. Here's the ticket counter. We'll get a ticket from here, and it's 200 rupees per head, so we have 3 packs. That's 600. We're going inside, and ta-da! Let's go. It's surrounded by water, and now it's time to show you how it looks outside. Come on, follow me. If you like my video, please subscribe and comment below. And if this is your first time watching my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you. And this is the view from the up. That's the Adventure Island. That's the wing of this airplane. It's a reservation place for couple. Here we go. Three of us, and they gave us this table. And here's the menu. We'll check now what they got. Unfortunately, they told us that they are not serving non-veg today, so our option was only with drinks and veg burgers. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Have a good day. See you in my next video. Bye bye.